Welcome, Grader. At this time, you may remove your gloves, eye pro, and you can place your weapon on the table. Welcome, I am Special Zabara and will be your grader for individual testing. Station Papal 4, which is the Defense Advanced Global Positioning System Receiver, also known as DAGR. During this phase of testing, you'll be evaluated on the DAGR. Task: load 2 months of crypto keys into the Defense Advanced Global Positioning Receiver and set to use only secure satellites. Enter mission duration, enter waypoints, and create a route. Operate DAGR when satellite signals are weak. Condition: you are a member of a team who has been directed to prepare for dismounted operations in a non-CBRN electronic warfare contested environment. You are in a forward operating base, preparing to move into the objective rally point at this time. So here's your mission duration and your 3 waypoints. Standard: correctly perform all tasks within 15 minutes. Do you have any questions?
I don't have any questions at this time.
Confirm all zeros?
Zeros.
Time starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin.
Okay, so I'm picking my DAGR up. I'm going into my main menu by hitting menu. Going down to receiver setup, hit enter. I'm going to crypto fill. I'm going to enter. I'm changing DS101 to DS102. Hit enter. Once I've done that, now I can hop on my SKL. I'm going to highlight my first key. I'm going to hit load. Okay. Operation successful. I'll hit OK, then hit done. Highlight my second key. Hit load. Hit OK. Operation successful. Hit OK. Hit done. Now that I've highlighted my first 2 keys, I'm done with my SKL. I'm going to pick up my DAGR. I'm going to go to the next page by hitting page. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to change my operating mode from standby to average. I'm going down to my frequency. I'm going to change L1 primary to L2 primary. Once I've done that, now I'm going to go to my auto on menu by hitting page 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hit enter, go down to the start time, hit enter. I'm looking here, my start time is 10 o'clock, or correction, 1000, so I'm going to change to 1000. Once I've done that, I'll hit enter to store it. Go down to my stop time. Stop time is 2200. I'm going to change it here, 2200. I'm going to hit enter. So now I've got my start stop time. Now I'm going to go in to set my waypoints. So I'm going to go to the main menu by hitting menu. Go up to waypoints, routes, and alerts. Hit enter. Go down to where it says mark a waypoint. Hit enter. And then I'm going to hit enter to save my current position. I'm going to go back into my main menu by hitting menu. Waypoints, routes, and alerts. Go up to waypoints. Hit enter. I see my current position, which is marked 001 on the top. So I'm just going to go down to the next blank spot. Hit enter, and now I'm on waypoint 2. I'm going to go down to that grid, hit enter, and I'm going to change it to exactly what it says here for waypoint 2. It's just 16, Sierra, Delta Foxtrot, and then 58278. Five 3413. So once I set my grid, I'm going to hit enter. Then I'm going to hit quit, enter to save. Waypoint's been stored. Now I'll go do the same thing for waypoint 3. Go down to the grid. I'm going to change that one to my waypoint 3 on the paper. 16, Sierra, Delta Foxtrot, 59696. $53836. Once I've changed my grid, I'm going to hit enter and hit quit, enter to save. Now I'm going to go do the same thing from our waypoint 4. hit enter, enter. So I'm on waypoint 4. I'm gonna go down to the grid, hit enter. I'm gonna change that accordingly. 60673. Seven 8 977. Once I've set the grid appropriately, I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to hit quit, enter to save it. Now I've saved, I got all 4 of my waypoints. First one being my current position, which is marked 001. I have waypoint 2, waypoint 3, waypoint 4. Now I'm going to set my route. I'm going to go into my main menu by hitting menu, menu, waypoints, routes, and alerts, except now I'm going to go down to routes, hit enter on routes. I'm just going to hit enter on that first blank route. It says on the top I'm on route 1. I'm going down. Below where it says 00 position, I'm going to hit enter on that blank spot, and now I'm going to plug them in order from 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to hit enter on mark 001, go down, hit enter on waypoint 2, go down, hit enter on waypoint 3, go down, hit enter on waypoint 4. Now that I've entered my waypoints into my route, I'm going to hit quit, enter to save. Now that I've done, I'm just going to go through and double check all my work. Once I've double checked all my work, and I'm going to say that I'm done and set the DAGR on the table.
Is your time?
Okay.
Now I'm going to proceed to check your work. Alright, at this time you'd be a go.
Roger.